Hello, I am Anwar Sadat, Mahatma Gandhi National Fellow assigned to Wayanad district of Kerala. Let me share my second week's experience with you. Second week's achievable was to collect secondary data from different sources on education, both government and private industries, industry at a glance, details of existing micro and small enterprises, large scale industries, public sector undertakings, major exportable items, growth trend, etc., agriculture, crops, farmer producers organization, etc., as well as the general demographic data has been collected. Most of the secondary data were available online. So there was no much challenge during the second week, but a few data regarding a few institutions in agriculture and education were not available online. So emails were sent to respective institutions to get the data. So the learnings from this week are there can be intangible benefits for schemes which seem trivial. For example, when a person is given support to start a small shop in the neighborhood, it not only gives him or her an economic independence but also enhances the social as well as mathematical skills. This will be very beneficial for the tribal population, and this has been done in Wayanad too. Also, the district needs a comprehensive skill plan. Though convergence is a time consuming process, a skill plan inclusive of tribal population, general population, SC, ST includes tribal population, minorities, and inclusive of all those people from school level to 50 to 55 or 60 years who wishes to learn or wishes to enhance his study needs to be prepared, and that will be the best way forward. And this is about second week, and third week's objective is to visit training centers like DDU, GKY, RCT, etc. And I'll be sharing my third week's experience next week. See you. Thank you.